Imphal Tangkul Shinawlong ITSL celebrates Silver Jubilee. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah says only education and skill development can truly empower women. MPCC equates BJP's Go to Hill slogan to kill the hills. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam accuses BJP state government of duping the public. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian asserts initiatives like Go to Village and Miyam Ginumit ensure equal welfare opportunities to both hills and valley inhabitants. And poachers kill one male Amur falcon. GPS satellite tagged as Manipur in None district yesterday. Forest Minister T.A. Shamkumar declares to arrest the culprit. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Imphal Tangkul Shinawlong ITSL celebrated its Silver Jubilee at the Recreation Center of Manipur Baptist Church in Chingmerong today. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah graced the celebration as a chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, the governor lauded Imphal Tangkul Shinawlong for its contributions in bettering the socio-economic conditions of Tangkul women. She also appreciated the union for its creditable service for spreading education among Tangkul women and for undertaking various activities of social service. The governor expressed contentment that Tangkul women folk are making sincere efforts for preserving and enriching their rich cultural heritage. She appreciated Tangkul women for joining hands under the union for an inclusive growth of Tangkul society and participation in nation building. Stating that India is a secular democracy where people of all religions and cultures coexist, Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah maintained that divisive forces and tendencies existed in all societies and all times. She acknowledged that even Tangkul society had spells of turmoil in history, and Tangkul women faced these turmoils with courage and fortitude. She encouraged the women to endeavor for creating an atmosphere of social harmony and move forward as one despite various challenges. The governor appeals to the Women's Association to work for spreading education among the women folk for truly empowering women. She also stressed the need for skill development for their economic empowerment by organizing trainings and awareness camps for women, especially for those in remote areas. Cultural shows, music and dance performances were the highlights of the celebration. Chief Conservator of Forest Administration Planning and Monitoring, Sorefi Ruva, and President of Tangkul Shinawlong, Grace T. Shatsang, were amongst those who attended the event.
The Tangkul society has also had spells of turmoil in history. Tangkul women have faced these turmoil with courage and fortitude. There will be challenges in life, and more often than not, women bear the brunt of these challenges in the society. But it should be our endeavor to create an atmosphere of social harmony and move forward together as one people. As we all know, in order to truly empower women, education is a must. Women in our society, particularly in the hill district, and are lagging behind in education.
Former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam has equated BJP government's Go to Hill slogan to kill the hills, accusing the government of duping the masses under the disguise of the slogan's beautiful meaning. Gaikangam was speaking in a one-day state-level political conference held for leaders of scheduled tribes and workers organized by Adivasi Congress Department Manipur Pradesh Congress Party at MPCC's conference hall today. Stating that BJP's rule is coming to an end, Gaikangam assured that a new government will emerge in no time and an era devoid of any disparities will thrive. He claimed that BJP government has been trying to merge smaller communities to bigger ones by overpowering their culture, social and political beliefs. He further claimed that the BJP government has no genuine concerns for the destitute and the minorities. The former Deputy Chief Minister termed it unfortunate that BJP is ruling both at the center and at the and in the state.
Qualify go to hills ki arthado wahan thota khoi to go to hill go to valley haide Manipur se sab mane priority matungina need base ban tawi haibadi akoi adu ada khaidok khajin tawjade mokoi de tawrabani na go to hills and how mayam do chanana nungsi bi tarabadi chief secretary do tampaka leiba khoi Manipuri irisa am hapoto lok thokpi re lok tho su ama senior mo so ba ama lady dana singdagi adu happy ba kari kai ge chindana ha go to hills thabak na kill to hills. What is this? Karina. Go to hills. Hana laura nga. Lahan college lokhat mo kanda. Ko singi. Sing the level college mayamji. Go to hills. Hills missing nung simandona. Makoi college lokhat payade. Katat le. Asi go to hills ki one top la. Chin ka tabaka. Mana de yabedo. Akoy na haijab na de. Akoy na hainingi hedna. Haiba natsa de. Magi tabak aduna. Matom taksebani.
On the other hand, Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian has stated that people in the interior parts of the state are provided various welfare benefits through the initiatives of the present government. He was speaking at the one-day health awareness cum mega free medical camp at Naishil Veng village in Churachandpur, organized by International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA today. He maintained that people of both the hills and the valley are provided equal welfare schemes of the government through initiatives like Go to Village, Miyamginumit, etc. He also mentioned that various organizations help the health department in conducting such free medical camp in interior parts of Manipur for a healthy society. Speaking in the event, IPSA President Joy Chandra Konthaujam said the program was a part of the association's ongoing activity. 30 doctors from various departments examined above 1,000 patients coming from various parts of Churachandpur at the medical camp. Free tests and medicines were also distributed during the camp.
So tharaba kunsing kungang sing betlatlaga sigumba expenditure se makoi masana su puthok pangamoi doba kangbu lem na jengbi basi jamna kungi damak jamna kana bani haina haijage
khwaidigi afaba adugumlaba Manipur ama oiraba kandada chaukhatpa amadi mating leba khunai oigini haiba wakalonda ipsana hairiba awareness come free medical camp ase aikoina national balance asida susanphu ke oina pangthok se
Janata Dal United JDU Manipur State Unit has lauded Chief Minister Nongthongpan Biren for emerging as the third best Chief Minister in the country and the best Chief Minister of a BJP-led state government as per the India Today's poll survey. JDU expressed the congratulatory note during an executive meeting held at its office in Hatta today. Taking part in the meeting, President of JDU MSU Hangkampao Taitul urged people of the state to feel pride in their achievement and to stop finding faults and to join hands in bringing development. Taitul also thanked the party's well-wishers and supporters for participating in the October March rally of UCM. The party also expressed happiness that All Manipur Art and Culture Sports Development Society has conferred the State Best Educationist Award from Meitei Pangal community to JDU National Council member and former Vice President of the State Unit, M.A. Salam.
Amuktas Thoktriba, Asiguma Chief Minister Mapantara Suram Bajai, Statehood Pangmadagi, Asigumba Ama Thoki Balete, Ahanba, Tenor Mayam Duda, Aduna Akoi Party, Janata Dar United, Manipur State Unit na, Tawaina Loduna, Executive Ta Kanaraga, Tamoy Nungdagi, Sheng na, Tagat Pajaraba, Amani Haibado, Ayet Pa Amatalatana Kanaduna, Mayam Praja, Manipur Macha Pumnamak, Asuguma Chief Minister Akoi Pangibase, Hojik Amasung Tung Dasu, Akoina Cooperation Piraga, Tagal Laga, Amasung Isolna, Mahapu, Lengak Sasanto Bada, Prayabunung Sibiba, Amasung Hena Tabak Kanato Bangamba, Chief Minister Oirangaba, Isolna, Mahapu, Budhilo Sing, Hapira Sanu Hena, Wish Tozari.
One male Amur falcon, a rare migratory bird, GPS satellite tagged as Manipur, was killed in Kaibuching village of Nonne district yesterday. The GPS tag of the bird was handed over to Nonne district forest officials by the villagers. No one has been arrested so far for killing the bird. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunojam Shyamkumar has expressed deep disappointment at the killing of the rare birds and appeals to the people of the state to stop threatening wildlife and instead cooperate with the relevant department in protecting them. The minister formally declared to arrest the culprits and award befitting punishment as per the law. Addressing media at Secretariat Office in Babupara today, Minister Shyamkumar strongly condemned the incident in the wake of the Forest and Environment Department trying its best to safeguard the rare migratory bird. He also stated that the department will start giving awareness in every village to prevent another such incident. It may be mentioned that Amur falcons are long-distance migratory birds and arrive in northeast India, particularly to areas of None and Tamenglong districts in Manipur and Nagaland on their southbound migration during October from their breeding grounds in northern China, eastern Mongolia and far east Russia en route to their wintering grounds in South Africa. Under the initiative of the Forest Department for Protection of Amur falcons during their migratory stopover in Tamenglong district, a satellite tracking program to understand the movements of the falcons was taken up on an earlier occasion this year. A team led by Dr. Suresh Kumar of Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun, and DFO of Tamenglong, Arun Ares, with Hungarian raptor biologists, captured 5 Amur falcons and were attached with GPS satellite tags to 2 Amur falcon and were then released. The male falcon was named Manipur while the female falcon was named Tamenglong. The male falcon was killed by unidentified poachers yesterday.
Ngarang Nimon Sakobu Numit 9 November Sida Kogi Noni District ki Kapuching village da koi maji hatpagi sumba satellite ko check to phang se government project department na DC None DC Tamenglong na hai missing ado koi na phana ba koi khondari potu sidala bina koi mi du difan phaba di phangani yam la thib de koi prithvi gi lepak mayam gi manung da yamna tangba uche ma wadi ba 5 days 10 hours nan stop da pai kanda Manipur atopa mu Mongolia da pai kita bu sik mayam singa si koi prithvi lepak loina ba satellite to khangna ba sida noni de chiki sum jaga am da koi gi kapak hale ba se sim lai bak thibini aduna I appeal to the media, to the peoples of Manipur, please stop killings and hunting wild animals and wild birds. And I message pizari wildlife singnarak pa environment singnarak pa wildlife koi usi sing halak pa sa hunting torok pa koi ma koi lem na tharo ya.
Directorate of Fisheries, Government of Manipur has declared the winners of Fish Fair cum Fish Crop competition held on November 8. The Directorate in a press release informed that Leshangtem Dhanachandra from Khabam Bamdir has bagged the first position for producing 12,000 kg and 875 grams of fishes, including maximum amount of pengbang, aton and kabak. Tongbram Raghu from Kaibul Salam bagged the second position for producing 10,000 kg, 841 grams of fishes, and H. Rabi from Karen Fabi bagged the third position for producing 6,000 kg, 385 grams of fishes. Further details may be obtained from the department. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Nilit Imphal signing an MOU with a Singapore-based company to open an incubation center at Nilit Imphal Akampat. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. A memorandum of understanding was signed today between Nilit Imphal and Singapore-based JobSense Private Limited to open an incubation center at Nilit Imphal Akampat. The center will provide incubation facilities to the state's aspiring entrepreneurs in the field of information technology and electronics industry. Speaking in the event, Executive Director of Nilit Imphal, T.H. Parmeshwar, said to realize the vision of Skill India, Startup India and Make in India schemes, the center will facilitate in the field of big data, IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc. He asserted that the initiative is the first necessary step for startups in the state.
MOU Ashina Technology Business Incubation Center ma Nilit Imphal da hangdokpa haina tongre. Basi koi chahi ani koi na shoi tongjabani na technology da based oba koi startup damdam asigi Manipur ki startup the winning by chinina singna hariba centers da lakpiraga koi JobSense Private Limited Singapore ki koi na mafam mama pijari mafam masada lakpiraga makoi ke tanaraga amasung Nilit ki oja singa tanaraga anugo technology area samna haribada hujiki emerging area big data, data analytics, artificial intelligence, IoT, machine learning, hybrid singba areas such that Manipur dagi angang sing koi include liba angang sing qualified oiraba aduga masagi oiba entrepreneurs sing senggot pangam da basi koi na mateng khadar su pang mangam ngadra haibagi wakalon galonena masigi MOU si soitong bani.
Midday Meal Workers Union Manipur has decided to extend solidarity to nationwide agitation in demand for increment of midday meal workers honorarium at Parliament in New Delhi on November 19. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club today, President of Midday Meal Workers Union Manipur, Y. Indrani, stated that midday meal workers get 10 months honorarium of around 1,000 rupees per month for 1 year of work. Stating that the honorarium paid is not adequate for the amount of workload, Indrani mentioned that a memorandum for various demands, including enhancement of the honorarium up to 1,800 rupees, was earlier submitted to the government. She also expressed disappointment that midday meal workers' honorarium was not increased along with that of Anganwadi and Asha workers.
Mid in Minjina Tauribazi, school Langang Jack Tongiba, Kwan Ping Biba, Makurma Sahabiba, Yam Pasana, Hotna Biba. Ado Tabakdana, Akoi Chintada Baitare, or Nemze Tamagili Singamakatangu, Adusumatan Sana Pidaba, Nasi 2000, I did Lord about the Akoi on MC 2018 gi paisa amata su pide 17 gi ngarang nahan ningon sako mamang da khara pi 17 gi loiren laure sumaina tawbasi da koina hengat piu haidina adugi rally se sasagadori bani.
The newly appointed chairman of Manipur State Hajj Committee, Government of Manipur, Hazrat Maulana Abdus Salam Nadvi, was accorded a warm reception at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking in the event organized by Universal Public Charitable Trust, Hazrat Maulana Abdus Salam Nadvi mentioned that he is the first Maulana to be elected as a chairman of a State Hajj Committee. He appreciated Chief Minister Nongthuma Biren-led state government and members of BJP Manipur Pradesh for appointing him as a chairman. Renowned theatre director Ratan Thiam stated that Manipur's music is the greatest wealth of the state. He was speaking at the launch of the Light Music Concert organized by All India Radio Imphal at MFSDS Palace Compound today. He lamented that the art form is losing its significance in modern times. Winners of Folk Music Competition 2018 Manipuri Matam Ishai singers, lyricists and composers were felicitated on the occasion.
Bagi wakalon kong bagi matungina hana lejerum ba praman pantai nuksi keraba imagery thagi imagery lechil imagery bombi cheklagi imagery ismayam loina mang ki batongna mangak batongna to usi kari kinen the interest luktra adugi ju today da oider ba lyrics se karino kari haino praman to dino aina aige lyrics ka kari haitorino aige lyrics today da nangna nahan aingondi yeng da pa mi nangi message to SMS ni heli haidora kari haidor no khangde ngasai akoi imageries maya prakriti oiba human emotion human kind human energy artificial nataba akoi gi oijaba energy single recognize to work when a wala loina muksi lairamba mayam se loina sijina ba to oga ngasi ato sansaram da hingba pamal badagi karimat leitre akoi da mi haibatu
Tungi Yaifanaba Shemba Kanglop TYSK has organized a one-day seminar on Ilangbam Dinamani Gi Sahitya Mamallepa at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, TYSK Secretary Loitam Surjit stressed the need to discuss on the literary works of writers during their lifetime to avoid any discrepancies after their death. Literary contributions of writer Dinamani were discussed during the seminar.
I was sincere, like he never took the hanging age that when a yard accept of labor currency, Siam Convi was from low. Itia somebody Nakashi Mangani, my Hingvanina, Matuki Kalaga, or Masiko.
Sabung Khog Youth and Students Welfare Club in Lamlai constituency has celebrated its 4th Foundation Day at its office today. Taking part in the event, Pradhan of Telochana Gram Panchayat H. Nimai opined that a state can only be fully developed when all the people residing in the state are aware of their responsibilities. He urged everyone to cooperate in developing the state. Meritorious students of Class 10 and Class 12 examination 2018 from the locality were felicitated on the occasion. MLA Lamlai Ketrimayum Biren and President of Sabung Khog Youth and Students Welfare Club CH Amujao were among those present at the event. 50 beneficiaries of Ujjwala Yojana scheme in Oinam constituency of Bishnupur district were distributed free LPG connections by Khongnang Gas Agency in its 3rd phase today. Speaking in the event held at Khoijuman Bazar, BJP Manipur Pradesh State Secretary KH Jibon asserted that Ujjwala scheme, initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi with a vision to provide smokeless and healthy cooking fuel to people of the country, especially in the rural areas, is successfully implemented. He further assured of other schemes by the government for empowering women section of the society. Manager of Khongnang Gas Agency Bishnupur, TH Premjit, also attended the event.
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji na sumba scheme hogopirkana pagi unanga leraba yamna wana kunsideriba maipu marata yamna sakina kudongchana leriba pagi mailo sunche asi maipu ji sekengeri kanna namjadaba asi degidi akoi singa swedna sumba mai papa haitare sumba lokcha thangorina makha tabada Shri Narendra Modi ji ma sarkar si tumkoina le hogabiramta
Tangkhul Naga Azil Longpang, Haumi Research Guild and Tomching Chingshang celebrated Ningol Chakoba for the 2nd time at Lekweaching village in Senapati district yesterday. Many women residing in the valley attended the event and feasted together with the Hilly brothers. Various leaders and members of civil society organizations also attended the event. After the grand feast, gifts were presented to the women. Winners of the first Ningol Chakoba State Level Nga Mela 2018, conducted by Lamjingba groups ahead of Ningol Chakoba Festival, were felicitated today. Speaking in the event held at Classic Grant in Jingmerong, Director of Lamjingba Groups Waikhom Rajesh appealed to make the state self-sustainable in fish products. Fish farmer Salam Ibeyaima bagged the first prize for producing 2 metric tons of fishes.
Soina Ulaga, Utoiva product na Saki Weraga, Equigi, Manipur, Saho, Sahoma home, but the Mahine, Metil on the Su, Naz, don't Pally, Imo the Sudum, Namo, one of Tinarani, Sigumaki tap, Manipur, Naz, Chang the Sang the Leva. Suso Suira was some Webina, Masi Manipur, Nga, Watava, Lebahamo, Lasima, Patenga, Totoga, Manipur, the Twib, Nato, Potoxina. Manipur se sinbatung na tang masi Manipur se mapagi nga sa tay na Manipur nga sa namtang utilize to Manipur the club sinabiyaw ki nga potoksi have to ay
Sampur clan of Langdamai Chiru in Nonai district celebrated Ningol Chakoba festival for the 5th time yesterday. 29 married women took part in the celebration. They were presented with gifts and blessings for a happy and prosperous life on the occasion. All Kukching Students Union Aksu and Heart of Life jointly organized 2018 Apunba Chakoba at Jannuram Community Hall of Kukching Sumak Lekai in Kukching district yesterday. Over 250 women of various communities from Kukching and its neighboring areas attended the event. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Imphal Tangkhul Shinawlong ITSL celebrates Silver Jubilee. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah says only education and skill development can truly empower women. MPCC equates BJP's Go to Hill slogan to Kill the Hills. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam accuses BJP state government of duping the public. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian asserts initiatives like Go to Village and Miyam Ginumit ensure equal welfare opportunities to both hills and valley inhabitants. And poachers killed one male Amur falcon GPS satellite tagged as Manipur in None district yesterday. Forest Minister T.A. Shyamkumar declares to arrest the culprit.